Welcome to this tutorial on how to back up your Shopify store. Backing up your store is an essential step in protecting your business from data loss and ensuring that you can recover quickly in case of an emergency. First, it is essential to understand why backing up your store is crucial. Shopify stores contain a vast amount of data, including product information, customer details, and order history. Losing this data can be devastating for your business, resulting in lost sales and damage to your reputation. To back up your Shopify store, you can use the built-in export feature. This feature allows you to export your store's data into a CSV file, which can be easily imported back into your store if needed. To access the export feature, go to your Shopify admin panel and click on the settings icon. From there, click on the Exports tab and select the data you want to export. Another way to back up your store is by using a third-party backup app. These apps automatically back up your store's data on a regular basis, providing you with peace of mind and ensuring that your data is safe. Some popular backup apps for Shopify include Rewind and Backupify. In addition to using the export feature or a third-party app, it is also a good idea to regularly back up your store's theme and custom code. This can be done by downloading a copy of your theme and custom code files and storing them in a safe location. Best practices for backing up your Shopify store include backing up your data regularly, ideally on a daily basis, and storing your backups in a secure location, such as an external hard drive or cloud storage service. It is also essential to test your backups regularly to ensure that they are complete and can be easily restored. In conclusion, backing up your Shopify store is a critical step in protecting your business from data loss. By using the built-in export feature, a third-party backup app, and regularly backing up your theme and custom code, you can ensure that your store's data is safe and can be easily recovered in case of an emergency. Remember to always follow best practices for backing up your store, including backing up your data regularly and storing your backups in a secure location.